Guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. If today is your first time of coming, my name is Sharon and you're welcome to Sharon and Chris TV. So guys, how are we all doing? Hope we are good, we are fine. So in today's video guys, I'm making cap wig. Is I'll call it cap wig. I don't know the name that I'll call it, cap wig or wig cap. So guys, I've already started, as you can see. So I watched this challenge or this video from Banter with NJ. So and I like it and I decided to join the challenge. So she made this wig cap and I really like it because I used to cut my hair and I put on wig sometimes. So and I decided to make mine to try if I can do my so as you can see, I've started, is remaining here, but I said let me take you guys along. I don't know if someone will also like it. So she named her Issy baby I don't have forgotten the name. She named it Sandra, but I'm naming my own fine girl because I borrowed it from my friend and she's a YouTuber, Lucy Baby Family TV. So you can check her channel and also check out NJ's Banter with NJ channel, and you will see how she make her own. So she used Bob Marley, but I'm using this dreadlock, this thing, this one. So I'm using this one. This is the pack of it, the pack of it. So it's two bundle inside. I bought it 10 euro and the cap 3 euro. So now I'm going to show you guys how I did my. So I'm going to add my thread because this one is finished, this one is short. I'm going to add another thread on it. So guys, I would like you guys to check this out, try it for this summer. It's easy and simple. I can't believe that I can do this. What did you guys think? Online cap business. So I'm going to add my thread now into the needle. So guys, our thread is ready. So now let me take this down a bit. So I'm going to start here. As you can see, I've already started it already. So I just put it like this, so like this. You see, very simple. So tie it. You tie it very well so that you will not be walking and one will just fall out. We don't want that at all. So guys, please, if you're coming across my channel for the first time, please subscribe For my old time subscribers and my new ones, thank you guys. I really appreciate you all for the love and the support. Okay, so I would like you guys to try this out. It's very simple and easy way. Maybe you want to go and pick your child from school, you just put it on. For those that used to barb hair or cut hair like me, you just put it, no combing, just sharp sharp, you don't go come back. You can also lose it if you want to make use of your cap. Hope you guys are seeing. So you just put it in and tie it. This is my very first wig ever. I've not tried it before, and one day I will also try how to make a wig. What do you guys think? And before you know, small business don't start to so thank you, NJ, for sharing this amazing content. Hope you guys are seeing it. So sorry if I did not start it from scratch, because I was like, are you sure I'm going to make this very well? And one man said, just try. And when I started this side, I said, wow, let me share it to my amazing people. Let me try this challenge. So if you want me to make one for you, put it in the comment section and tell me if you try this. I will be glad to see you. Please, if you're still watching at this point, you've not subscribed, please subscribe. Okay, subscribe so that this my business what I want start, so I go they get jolly mind, they do am. This thing is very simple, guys, very simple. I like it. So you tie it very well so that let me cut off this and put more thread. Also lose it if you're tired of it. You can lose it any one of your choice you want, guys. I like this because me, if I want to go work in the morning or take my daughter to school, I'll just put it fast. So guys, fine girl, keep your head, okay, baby Oku. So guys, in case you want to make your own, you just do it up, you see, up here. And if you want me to make this from scratch, guys, what did you guys think? All the google things wey dey, all the google good wig wey I dey do for this channel, my reward na for heaven o. I really like this thing, I really like it. So I'm going to cut it now. Let me check. Okay, it's remaining one here. Let me check where I'm going to fix this one now. Let me know. Guys, this is the last one. So let me find where to attach this. Very simple step. Oh, so guys, check out our wig. Our cap wig is so guys, what did you guys think? Did I try? This is the back of it. Guys, it's beautiful. So thank you guys for watching. If you have not yet subscribed, please, okay, give it a try. Nobody's gonna know. Thank you guys. Bye. Love you. Stay safe and be good.